here. So much tape. So much tape. Sad to Dave. So much tape. Hey. Oh, what the heck? What the heck? Dude. That's freaking cool. Rah, 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 rah. Yeah. That's cool. Napkins. Spare parts. Yeah. Vortex S. Hey. Big. I love Maxace. They make some big, awesome knives. It's the Vortex S. Statue Dave did some grinding on. Cool. Look at that. That is neat. Big thick blade. That's a cool grind. Some grinding. And a little grinding on her. Yeah. Big. Thumb flick. Reverse flick. Yes. Almost two-hand grip. This is cool. Finally get to handle a Vortex. Sweet little knife. Pocket clip. Big full backspacer. I like that. Jimping. I think these have little, should be a pin in there to lock this thing out. Looks like it. Is that what this is? Is that what this is? I don't know. I think that's what this is. I think. Yeah. Lockout pin. So when I go chop the garden down, this thing won't close on me. Yeah. Big awesome knife. There's a comparison to the tier. Yeah, this is sweet. Got some tape. Ooh. Tier. Maxace Vortex. S. Vortex S. SLD magic. You can see the magic. That's a really cool grind he put on here. Yeah. Something about big knives. They just put a smile on your face. Anyway, super quick unboxing. Vortex S. Can't wait to try this thing out. Thanks for watching.